Hello my dear friends, today I am going to show you how to use the X2.5D amplifier and how it is helpful for you in your live events and how you can reduce the workload, the wiring, the usage is very simple. Today we will give you a small tour about how it works, how is the software, how it is user friendly. So let's start. I will show you the wiring first, what we have connected today. So you can see we have connected our Midas board. This is the Midas M32 which we have connected with the system. So we have patched two outputs. One is the master output which is going for our line arrays, basically the XL1122 two pieces and the infinity single subwoofer 2 pieces. So that is what we have connected on the master fader. Then we have patched one monitor output which is going to our X2.5D and the CXM12 monitor. So I will play some music just to show you how user friendly it is and how it works and how you can reduce the load. So here I am just playing some music. So you guys can see the music has been played right now. I am just reducing the volume so you guys can listen to my voice clearly. So yes, you can see over here, this is the input going. So how it is user friendly. Now I will show you what we have connected and how we have connected them. So here you can see the input. So now I will show you one by one, starting how it is working. So you can see on one number we have patched the subwoofers. So once I will unmute, you can hear the two subwoofers working on the channel 1. So now you can, I think, listen to the subwoofer which is playing. I will just increase some volume so you guys can experience the stuff. I hope you might be able to listen to the subwoofers. So this is the channel 1 which is running two subwoofers. Means two single subwoofer in a one channel. Now we will play the second channel which is the two line arrays patched together. I have just unmuted the channel 2. Now you can listen to the top which is X2.5D. It is also connected on the same amplifier, same way. I will show you the fourth channel working, that is the stage monitor. So basically the benefit of this amplifier is you guys can run the complete system, the entire rig of your system in one amplifier. So this is one amplifier which is running two subwoofers, two line arrays, two 12 dual line arrays we are saying, two 12 dual line arrays, one side fill top and one stage monitor channel. So basically what we can use is we can run two dual subwoofers and 4 line arrays into the amplifier, or we can use it simultaneously. Now what we have done on the back side, I will just show you the back panel. So yeah, here it is. This is the back panel of the amplifier. So basically what you can see over here is we have given 4 channels. This is channel 1, 2 and this is channel 3, 4, and we have patched 2 inputs. One which is this one is the master input which we can see here, and this is the monitor input which is going inside. So basically what we have done is we have patched 2 things. This is the monitors and this is the front of house section, means FOH section, in which we have done it simultaneously on our Midas amplifier. You can see over here. So yeah, this is X2.5D, that is the Midas console. I made a mistake by speaking, but that's the Midas console, and this is our amplifier. Now what we can see here is we have muted all 4 channels. Now we can play all 4 of them together. So this is how it is useful in live sound. This amplifier is basically made for live sound, and there are so many other features. I will explain you more features in the second video. So guys, yes, here we are back with the second part of this video, in which we will show you how the software of X2.5D works, what are the features, and I will show you how it can be helpful for you when you are doing lots of big events in a small amplifier. A small amplifier which is just 6 to 7 kg in weight, which has 4 channels and can be used to operate very easily. So here we are. So let's start it. First I am playing the music. First we will play the music and then we will connect the amplifier. So now you can see. So yeah, now I will show you the software, how to connect it to the software. So yeah, this is it. I'm just connecting the USB cable over here. We can connect it through this ports as well. We can also connect it to the network application. So you can see here we have the PC connected and it is showing the PC control. Now I will show you the front panel after connecting to PC. So here it is, we are on the PC now. You can check the PC is connected, status is connected. So we have connected the amplifier over here. Yeah, so you can see the status is connected. So what we have patched here, this is the complete schema of the amplifier. So in this you can see how we are working on this and how it is showing. So I will show you first. So we have turned it to the analog input. This is the input section. So there are 4 analog inputs. This is the input routing section. We can check how it is routed. Then this is the gain structure, the input gain of all 4 channels, the sensitivity, okay, gain, sensitivity. This is the input equalizer, this is the output equalizer, this is the RMS limiter, and this is the nameplate plus linking feature. So if we want, we can link the channels and we can also show you how it is working. So what we have connected is, on the channel 1 we have connected 2 infinity single subwoofers. So channel 1 is connected to the infinity sub. I will show you the crossover part. So here we are, this is the top panels. Before going to the crossover section, I will show you the routing of the amplifier, how we have routed it up. So yeah, this is the routing section. You can see there are 4 channels routed over here. So you can see channel 1 and 2 are connected together to input 1, and you can see over here input 3 and 4 are connected to the 3 input channel, means the input number 3. Then we go to the gain structure. Now once we play the music over here, you can see that we have muted the channels over here downside. You can see this part. So once we will unmute the sound, you can see how it will start. This is the stage monitor which was playing. Now I will show you the channel number 3. This is the dots which is going. Means what I mean to say is you can real time monitor the audio signal input and output after the processing in the amplifier. Okay. Now I will show you the output section, how input and output work. So first we will see the output section and then we will have a small look at the input section. So this is the output section. So here, this is the output section. You can see we have connected it to channel 1. This is the out 1. You can see it over here. Okay. I think it's not clear because of the display, but let me just show you. You can see this is the crossover setting which we have done. This is the crossover. I have just increased some EQ just to show you how it works. You can see there are different type of EQs. There is a phase setting over here. So there are 16 different EQ filters which you can use of your choice. And also there is a phase correction point. So we can change the phase setting as well. You can see here, this is the phase setting. Real-time phase setting we can do, and this is the gain structure of the amplifier. So this is in dB. So what I will try to show you is how it is working. You can see over here. So this is the filters which are going on, which you can use of your choice. There are so many different type of filters. There are so many different type of pre-EQ. We can change this thing as well. See over here. You can see you can select the filter of your choice, what you want to apply. So this is totally assignable. You can see here also there is a delay setting. Means you can choose the delay, how much delay you want. You can bypass the complete entire section, like I just clicked. This is the bypass section. Okay. So once I press the bypass, you can see this has been bypassed. The EQ has been bypassed. Now I have again restored the setting, and this is the flat setting. Once I click, all the EQs will be flat. Then here it is the crossover section. This is the input crossover system, which works in our amplifier. So you can see what setting we have done over here. I will just maximize the display so that you guys can see it properly. Okay, yeah, so here it is. You can see the filters. This is the frequency filter, means it is 120 Hz. That is the output frequency. That is the low pass filter, and this is the high pass filter we have given is 33 Hz. Both of them can be selected to different modes like this. You can see there are lots of different settings of your choice in the amplifier. Yeah, we have kept it as it is, and this is the gain. So once we unmute this, you can again see the gain part, how it is working. So yeah, we will again go to the gain. We will just start the channel 1. So you can see the channel 1 is going output, and we will again unmute the channel 1 output as well. This is the output. See, now you can clearly monitor the bass going. You can also listen to the subwoofer which is playing right now. You can just experience the sub frequency. So here it is. Yeah. I will just mute it up again. Here you can see we have different sort of settings over here as well. We have the phase setting, we have the input gain, everything can be seen. Now this is the channel 2, which is the line array part. You can see we have applied the line array filter also. In line array we have applied the high pass and low pass filter. Then there is no EQ given to the line array. In the channel 3 you can see we have put our top section into it. So top you can see we have increased the low end into the cabinets, just for your reference to see how it is working, and I will show you how we can change it very easily. If you have a touchscreen laptop or something, you can just easily do this thing by just selecting and just changing the part. It's very easy. Here you can see we have this part, and you could see now that once I reduce it, you can see it is going down and it is going up. It's very easy. It's totally easy to use it. So this is the two-way top which we have connected, and this is the fourth channel, channel 4, which is the stage monitors. This we have given as a full range. We haven't reduced anything from the. Now we will show you the limiter section. How is the limiter section? So here you can see we have different type of limiters here. You can see some limiters are on and some are off. So what it is basically, this is the output voltage limiter. So for subwoofers we have set the limiter to the maximum, which is 120 volt. To the line array we have set it to 110 watts, 110 volts per channel, and for the top we have set to 110 same, and for the monitors we have reduced and limit up to 90 volts. So we can change the output wattage accordingly as per our requirements for the limiters, as per our choice. Now here you can see the real-time setting, how the setting has been done and how it is working. Now I will show you the real-time usage of all the 4 channels, how it is working. So we will just go to the schema or routing, we can say. This is the gain. Yeah, we will just play all the 4 channels one by one, and now we will play the music from the laptop. You can see here I'm just playing the laptop which is connected to our Midas desk, and yeah, so we are just increasing the volume. Now you can listen. I hope you guys have noticed one thing, that this filter, the filter for the output channel 1, it is only coming when bass is going. This one. So this is just for your reference to say that all the 4 channels are working, and you can see how the setting has been done. And all these things are working from this single amplifier. We haven't connected any other amplifier. You can see over here there is nothing connected. Okay, there is nothing connected, just one single N-Labs X2.5D amplifier, which is right now connected to the PC. Now I will just remove the pin in real time when signal is going on. Now you can see it will automatically go to the manual mode. So now it has come to the manual mode. You can see the signal. So this is how we have connected the amplifier and the complete system, and you can see all the systems are connected and we are working in real time. I will just show you up the wiring for your pre-use. So this is the monitor channel. Here you can see there are 2 subwoofer channels. One channel is using in parallel, means 2 subwoofers are connected to one single channel. You can see here. Here we have one XT152 connected, and you can see on that side that we have 2 line arrays parallel in loop. Means we have looped the 2 channels together, channel 1 and channel 2, means 2 line array in single channel. One channel is using the top, and one channel is using the 2 subwoofers, and one channel is using just the stage monitor. So the entire system is being used on single amplifier, and it is working, I think, from last 2.5 hours, and it's working very fine. There is no problem. So I hope you guys would have liked this video, and I will get back to you on something exciting very soon. Thank you for watching.